Okay.
About that, this is a tutorial of the Stoney language alphabet system. We're gonna start with our alphabets, which consists of 41 alphabets. We encountered one, I'll get into that later. Also our consonants. We do have consonants. And we also have nasal vowels. We also have long vowels. This also can be nasal with the long vowels. For your sound system, this is how the sounds of alphabets is. A, B, Ch, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, H, Y, Z. That's how your sounds are. We'll use example like wata, eat. If I was to spell it, I would spell it W-A-T-A, wata, eat, sound. If I was to spell the B, ba, yell, ba, B-A, ba, yell. C, ch sound, cha. Cha meaning wood or something to do with tree. Cha is basically a tree. D, D as dacha. Dacha, what? Your E is the A sound. Washte, good. And we also have this one. We found out in our vocabulary there's a sound. Unige, uge, help, sound. We have to put a hyphen because this, we also have a nasal. So to differentiate the two, we have to put a hyphen above it. G, gaha, like make. H, ha, is hakena, morning, hakena. I is the E sound. Winapje, winapje. I'm using a W, so idaha. Idaha meaning some. J with the J, Jijin, trickster. Jijin. K, is kata, kata, hot. Magushin, magushin, grandma. Noheni, do you have? Noheni. Onata, shut. Onata, shut. Close it. Pinamat, pinamat. I'm grateful. This one, romna, coffee, romna. S, Caesar, Caesar, squirrel, T, toba, toba, door. U, uda, uda. The U is a U sound, uda. W, what she got, what she got, I want. Your X, chora, fish, chora. It's kind of your deep glottal sound in your throat. Chora, the bottom of your throat makes that sound. Y, ya, ya, go, ya. Z, zapta, zapta, 5.